guys, welcome back. So I'm just going to show you this little thing I bought. So it's an airbrush system for makeup, nails, you name it. I already have an airbrush gun. I've actually got quite a few different ones, but this is my favourite one at the moment. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to buy one that my students can use, so that's the reason behind getting this one. This is just a cheaper alternative. I'm not sure how it's going to work because I've never used it yet. So this is your compressor. Nice. It's not heavy, but it's got like you'll be able to use it quite freely. And then we've got the nice cover on the top, so I'm going to keep that one fresh for nails. This is your gun, which I'll attach straight onto here, which I'll just show you just now. So just like so. And then you will use obviously whatever cup you're using. Now I'm going to put this one on it. This is what I'm going to use when I go away to do my the Scratch Star party, because I'm going to use it for putting my foundation on because I use airbrush makeup. So all you would do with that is then pop that on there, screw it on, make sure it's on nice and tight so you don't get any leakage, and then that's it. Away you go. So it's not too noisy. I don't know if it's got different settings. I'll have to work all that out. But it's got a good airflow through it. And you could take that off to get finer details. But you have to watch because the needle is obviously very jaggy. So that's it there. So what I'll do is I will upload a video of me using this just to show you a couple of simple designs and just obviously to show you me using my airbrush. But I'll pop the details for this in the description below. It wasn't actually expensive. I think it was under £20. So that's what you'll use to charge it. But it doesn't have to be connected at all times, it's just for charging. But I think it's going to be pretty good. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.